In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PPT with Tome AI. First, open your browser and head to the Tome website. Sign in using either your Google account or your email. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace where you can start creating right away. To begin a new presentation, click Create or New Tome. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can choose a blank presentation if you prefer to build everything from scratch, or pick Generate with AI to have Tome draft the structure and content for you. For speed and consistency, I recommend the AI option. In the AI generator, type a clear prompt that states your topic, length, and intent. For example, create a 5-slide presentation about social media marketing strategy. Then click Generate. Tome will quickly assemble slide titles, starter content, and suggested layouts, giving you a solid foundation. Think of this as a first draft you'll refine. Next, edit your slides. Click any text to rewrite it in your voice. Tighten headlines, clarify points, and add the details that matter for your audience. You can insert headings, bullet points, and images to improve readability. If the flow feels off, rearrange slides by dragging them into the right order. Delete anything that's not useful, or duplicate slides you want to reuse as a template. If you want visuals, you can add AI-generated images. Go to Insert, choose Image, then Generate with AI. Describe what you want, like modern office workspace, minimalist style. If the first result isn't perfect, tweak the description and try again. Use visuals to support your message, not distract from it. Now customize the design. Adjust the theme, fonts, colors, and layout to align with your brand or the tone of your presentation. Aim for high contrast between text and background, consistent font sizes for titles and body text, and plenty of white space so your slides feel clean and readable. A simple, cohesive style almost always looks more professional than something overly busy. When you're ready to present, click Present in the top right corner. This launches full screen mode so you can focus on delivery. Practice moving through your slides smoothly and keep your narrative tight. Finally, share or export your work. Click Share to copy a link you can send to collaborators or viewers. If you need a static version, export as a PDF. If you prefer an interactive option, use the link-based presentation so animations and layouts stay intact. And that's it. You've created a polished presentation in Tome, fast and confidently.